In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a header and footer on the EverWebinar thank you page. If you're looking to customize your thank you page to better reflect your branding or add extra details, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. Before we dive into the steps, I want to let you know that you can try out EverWebinar completely free through the first link in the description below, and you'll even get access to some exclusive bonuses. So, let's jump in. First things first, log into your EverWebinar account and head over to the Webinars section. Once you're there, find the specific webinar you want to edit. Click the Edit button next to it, which will take you to the Webinar Setup page. Next thing, look for the Thank You Page option in the left-hand menu. This is where we'll make the changes you need. Click on Thank You Page, and you'll see a preview of the page where attendees land after registering for your webinar. Now, the third thing you'll do is to customize the page by clicking the Edit button for the Thank You Page design section. This is where you can add your header and footer. For the header, you can upload your logo, add a headline, or even change the text style to make sure it aligns with your brand. The fourth thing to note is the footer. You can customize the footer area by adding any additional links, contact details, or legal disclaimers you may need. It's super simple. Just click into the footer section and you'll have the option to edit it. Here, you can even add HTML code if you want to get a little more advanced. Finally, after adding your header and footer, don't forget to save your changes. Always preview your thank you page to ensure everything looks good. Test it out by registering for the webinar yourself so you can see how the page looks in action. Now, before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Keep your header and footer clean and minimal. Too much clutter can distract your attendees, so make sure the essentials are clear and easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully added a header and footer to your EverWebinar thank you page. Remember, you can do all of this and more with EverWebinar, and the best part is you can get started completely free through the link below. Plus, don't miss out on those exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.